mountains and everything. Nature is really
Yes,
beautiful there.
yeah, the Sikkim is
Hmm.
very
All
beautiful.
right, Rimpi. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm also good and thank you so much for asking me. How about you, sir?
I'm also doing great. And how's the day going? What are you doing today?
Yeah, I really enjoy my day also is going good because you know that tomorrow I live in West Bengal, so tomorrow the Durga Puja start. So
Ah, tomorrow is
yeah,
Shashti.
yeah, tomorrow Shashti. Yes.
Okay, okay. That's great. So, what all preparations are going for that?
Like Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami. So I purchased for dress, and then one dress I will wear for Saptami, and then I will wear like Ashtami, and that I will wear. I purchased one sari, that is simple sari, which I wear in Ashtami. That day I will give Anjali also. So that time I will wear it, and then Navami. Actually, Naomi, we will go somewhere in in our, we will go not in our local, we don't visit our local pandal. So we go outside, Naomi
Mhm.
night.
Okay, oh. And I've heard that on pandal, like in the pandals, it is very crowded.
Yes,
People,
yes, it's
there are
too much
long
crowded. Yeah.
lines of people, I've heard.
Yes, yes. So have you ever been to say West Bengal?
No, actually, I've only heard and seen in photos or videos.
Yes, yes. It's too much no, that that time is that all the cities are too much congested while puja.
Hmm.
So basically,
And the
sir, where
roads
are
are
you
also. Yeah, I'm from Delhi.
from? Okay.
Hmm.
And
And I've
actually,
seen,
see,
I
your
heard,
DP and your face, it's no little bit difference also.
and everyone says that. I don't know.
Yeah, even
Hmm.
I thought that I booked the session with that sir, and what is happening. Sometimes it happened. No, one tutor also, her name is Mona Lisa Ganguly. She's DP and she's PK. When she joined the session, when we do session with her, so that time her face also is look like different compared to her DP.
Hmm. It happens sometimes.
Yeah.
All right. So, can you give me a brief introduction about yourself, Rimpi?
Okay, my name is Rimpi Chakrabarti. I live in West Bengal, and actually, by profession I'm a homemaker. But recently, I have opened my own YouTube channel, and there I upload some English related content. My channel name is English with RSC.
What is the name? English?
English with RSC.
Okay. RSC.
RAC.
Okay,
Yes.
RAC. Okay. RAC stands for.
RSC. So actually, no, there is no literate meaning, and I really love this kind of short name, no short name. I have name.
Yeah, that's great then. And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is dancing, and that I am passionate. I am fond of baking also. So when I get chance, I bake cake. Even that I bake cake also for birthday purpose, anniversary purpose. When someone give order cake to me, that time I bake for them also.
So you bake for your family and you take orders as well.
Yes, yes, both.
Okay, nice. So how did you start this thing? Like when did you get interested in baking?
Okay, actually, it was earlier. It was not my hobby, but no, during that first lockdown in 2020. So that time we all were at home and our life was monotonous.
Mm,
So no, I thought that that time no one trend was going on during that lockdown. Everybody wanted to do something, and that time online market was it that time online market was also it's top. What would I say? I'm not getting that the
It was
word.
booming, like it was increasing a lot.
Yeah, that time it was increasing a lot. So I'm not. If I started no baking, that what will happen? So that time even that I didn't take any course also. I learned it through YouTube.
Mm.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, no, and after that, when I watch a one video, and after watching that the video, I baked a cake and I fed it in my all my family members. So they also appreciated me and supported me that time. So and after that, no, I gradually, why not? And I made my mind that if I started it, that means I have learned so many things, as well as I can earn something from my home. I should not
Mm-hmm.
go outside.
Mm-hmm. So right now you're selling online? Like how are you taking orders?
No, like whenever I bake cake, so I posted it on like no Facebook. So when someone any kind of birthday, that when someone's birthday, for daughter's birthday or anniversary, so when they saw it, they also ordered me. They ordered cake to
Mm-hmm.
me. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you're taking orders online right now, yeah,
Yes,
through
yes,
Facebook or Instagram, other platforms.
yes, yes.
Okay, nice. And the first cake, like that was good because
Yeah.
I've heard when people make the first time, then
Negative.
it is.
When I baked a first cake, that cake was really good. But when I took first order, okay, that
Mm-hmm.
cake was really so like no, I didn't know that like no, most of the people nowadays they love to eat like chocolate cake. So I don't know that like no, when I use like a chocolate, when I bake chocolate cake, that time to melt the chocolate, I have to use that the method is a double boiling method to melt the chocolate. So but I didn't use it. So just I did it like no, I did it like no, double boiling. I didn't use that used double boiling method. Just I boiled it in single way. Just I put the like no bowl on the on oven. So it at that time, and the chocolate was totally roast, and it taste also was like bitter. So and when I saw, and after I didn't taste it also, and I just I prepared the cake, and when I gave her, and after she cut the cake, and when she took it, that time she told me, "Oh, it was the taste is not good." So sometimes it happen.
Yeah. I think you should have tasted it before giving out.
Yeah, actually, this is my no. Even that when I cook like for my home also, so I don't have that habit that whatever I cook, I don't taste it before like no, after cooking it. I just whatever the dishes and whatever I bake for my family. Then after when I serve them, and after eating, my family members, they tell me no, it like no, add you should add like salt little bit. So I face this kind of problem. I don't have that habit while cooking. Not to so I have seen that most of the people, most of the housewife, and that even that reality shows, cooking show, they also after cooking, after preparing, cooking their food, they taste it. But I don't have
Mm.
that habit.
Arey, how will
So
you go into Master Chef?
no, I don't have. So do you like? Would you like to like no? Would you like to cook?
I know how to cook Maggie and coffee. Only two
Oh,
things.
two things. Okay.
End
That
of
is
my menu.
nowadays that is also good. No.
Hmm, it does the job. Like whenever I'm hungry, it does the job. So I guess yeah, it works sometimes.
Yes. Yes, yes.
All right. So the topic for today, Rimpi, is goals.
Yeah.
All right. So what are your goals? Short term, long term?
Okay. So my long-term goal is I want to become a fluent speaker. That is my long-term goal. And I don't think that I don't, for me that there is no short-term goals, because we all are human. So like no, so there is no limit of our short-term goals. So because sometimes we have our changes. Sometimes we have like no, whatever we want to achieve or we want to do some things, and when we get, I'm talking about short term goals, and when we get it, then after that in next year we have another goal. So it happened because we are
Hmm.
human. So for me that goal should be one, that is our long term goal, and we should put effort to achieve our goal we should move heaven and earth to achieve our goal. So that is, and I don't know how I am telling it, but sometimes I feel that I don't put that much effort because I have a goal and I want to become a fluent speaker. But if I want to become a fluent speaker, then I have to give too much time. I have to spend too much time on it. But honestly speaking, I don't spend that much time for improving my communication skill for achieving my goals.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
but
I
I
have
guess if you keep the practice consistent, then definitely you'll get there. And
yes,
at
yes,
one point.
yes.
Mhm. Okay. And other than English, like any other goals that you have? Traveling somewhere or anything?
Traveling, I love to travel, but I have also problem that I suffer from motion sickness. So whenever I plan to go
Oh.
somewhere and really after reaching that place, it ruined my plan, like because I can't control myself
That is, I
after
guess, yeah,
taking
a very big.
after taking medicine also.
Oh. So you have really bad motion sickness.
This is very bad. I know that if I do it frequently, then it automatically subside. But because I get very less chance to go somewhere, so that's the main reason I suffer from motion sickness.
Okay. So what was the last place that you visited?
I visited Sikkim in February month. I visited Nepal.
Okay. In the same trip, you went to Sikkim and Nepal as well.
Yes, yes. First we went to Nepal, and after coming from Nepal, I went to Sikkim.
Okay. So how was that trip? Like, Nepal is off borders, I would say.
Actually,
How was it?
no, my husband was there in
Mm-hmm.
Nepal. So there's it's not difficult. I visited Nepal twice also. In 2022, I went to Nepal, and last February month also I went to Nepal.
Okay, so he's working there.
Yes, yes,
Okay. And I've heard about Sikkim that it has very beautiful mountains and everything. Nature is really
yes.
beautiful there.
Yeah, the Sikkim is very beautiful place. I visited us like in Sikkim so many places like that. Zero, and then that is very beautiful place. Zero, I visited like Nathula. There if you go, that you can see that like no China and India and China border you can see, and that one place you can visit also, that is Baba Harbhajan Singh. I don't know whether you heard the name, that soldier name or not.
No, I haven't.
If you search it on Google, then you can find it, that one like no one soldier who protect that state also, Sikkim. So that person, that soldier died. Okay, so after dying, that soldier like no he came to someone's dream that please make a one temple here, and I would protect my country, I would protect my state also. So for that reason, there one temple also was built. That temple is Baba Harbhajan temple.
Oh, and is it an old temple or is it like a recent one?
No, 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 it's a old temple.
Okay. It has
Yeah.
been some time.
Yes, yes.
And
And
snowfall?
recently, no, now have you heard have you watched news?
A little bit.
No, no. Recently, and Sikkim is totally destroyed because that the
Ah,
glaciers, and that just because of that flood hit the Sikkim, and that area, that Lachung is totally destroyed, and so many people, and then so many houses, so many people's lives, so many people passed away, and so many houses washed out.
hmm.
Yes, totally
This I read
destroyed.
about.
Yes. It's
Yeah.
pathetic for when they were crying that oh, we don't have money, we don't have anything, we don't have anything. I don't know from how to start my life again. So they when they were
Hmm.
crying, so it like no, it shook my heart also. So sir, it like no for 56
Uh,
minutes already.
a little bit of
Maybe one or
feedback.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Mhm.
So I am waiting for feedback. Also, I
Yes,
make so
yes.
many mistakes.
Can I give some corrections as well?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Uh, One thing you said, I fed it to all my family members. Okay, when you were telling about the cake that you made, so fed would not be the right word here. Okay, served would be a better word. I served it to all my family members.
Okay.
Okay, that was one thing. And then he said, after eating my family members, then they suggested. So we'll not say
After
after
eating,
eating my family.
yeah. This is wrong. After eating means that means
You know, so that is not the right
yeah.
way
I
to
thought
say.
after eating the cake, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
After eating my family, that means I am eating.
you know, so we don't want to say that. We can
Yeah,
say after my
that's
family
why.
members eat the cake, then they suggested.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So just like this, there were a little bit of sentence
Yeah.
formation things. Okay. One more thing
Okay.
was there. You said I have to spend too much time. Like if I want to improve my communication skills, I have to spend too much time. Okay. So too much is a little bit negative sense. Okay. So
Okay.
here you can use I have to spend a lot of time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Too much means कुछ ज़्यादा ही time I have to spend. So that goes a little bit into negative. All right.
Okay.
But one
Okay.
thing I have to say, Rimpi, you used a very good sentence, which was we should move heaven and earth if we want to succeed in something. That was a very good sentence, very apt sentence. Okay. And
Thank
one
you.
more thing I have to say, the content that you were speaking, that was really creative, by the way. Okay.
Thank
Thought
you so
process was
much.
really good. Content was very creative. Just a little bit of work here and there, and you'll be really good.
Yeah, I realize no, sometimes I speak very fast and I try to hold it. No, I should speak a little bit slow. So like that. So if I
Hmm.
speak a little bit slow, then I don't make this kind of mistakes like which I made. Like no, after eating that family, which is really funny. After that, I eat my family member. So, sir, I have one question that you told me that serve and free,
Fed.
uh, fed. So, where we use fed and where we use serve?
Fed is mostly used for animals, you can say.